Yeah. Good evening, viewers. My name is Elibede Usman. I'm here to solve this biology question with you. This question we have already said something about it in our biology class in the previous time. These are some of the questions that you can encounter on this topic classification. We have already did the classifications, and these are some of the questions that have come out in JAMB and in WAEC based on classification. And listen carefully tonight and look at how I want to solve this question. Number one question: cold-blooded animal are referred to as dash. They say cold-blooded animal are referred to as dash. What is the meaning of cold-blooded animal? In the classification of an animal, one of the characteristics of animal, we have something called cold-blooded animal and warm-blooded animal. What is the meaning of cold-blooded animal? Cold-blooded animal, these are the animals that their body temperature vary with their environment, or they are the animal that their body temperature is the same with their environment, is 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 not constant, is changing. And the animal that his body temperature is the same with his environment, we call them cold-blooded animal or poikilothermic animal. While the animal that their body temperature is constant, we call them homeothermic animal. And example of this poikilothermic animal, we can see it in fish, we can see it in some of the amphibians, and we can see it also in some of the reptiles. While we can homeothermic animal, which are warm-blooded animal, these are the animal that their body temperature is constant with their environment. Example, we have human being, mammals, we are homeothermic animal. Apes, they are homeothermic animal. We have constant body temperature. And let's go to the question again. They say cold-blooded animal are referred to as what? Option A say poikilothermic animal. This poikilothermic animal, these are the animal that their body temperature varies with their environment. And another name for this poikilothermic animal, we can call it, they are also called cold-blooded animal. But let's go to the other option. Maybe we can still see other option that is best apart from this. We have homeothermic animal. This homeothermic, these are the animal that their temperature is constant with their environment. And another name for this homeothermic animal are called warm-blooded animals. Why option B say polythermic animal. Polythermic animal, from the word poly, meaning that they have many temperature changes which are not among it. And we have some option D, we have homeostatics. Homeostatics, this is the maintenance of the internal constant in an animals. These are the structure that make us to maintain an internal constant. And you all agree with me with my explanation that the correct answer to this question is option A, which is poikilothermic animal. These are the animals that their body temperature varies with their environment.